डुबकी जमी Belum kasar. Oh. Belum kasar.
Sini panda sengani jora muitongka angkat payo joto adongrok payo sini panda sengani jora muitongka angkat payo joto adongrok payo
Ceremony for Chief Executive Member and other executive members. As per Constitution of India, 166 Schedule 1 Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, His Excellency the Governor of Tripura has appointed G.K. Rao, Administrator of TTDC, to administer oath or affirmation to the newly elected member of District Council. So, I will call upon first CM will take oath, as CM has been already elected in the first meeting, and it is known by everybody who is CM. So we have brought here, and he is sitting on the stage. Others member whom CM has selected, I will call upon their name one by one. Now first, Suhel De Burma has been selected as executive member. So I request Suhel De Burma to come over and take off. Oh, sorry. First, I call upon Purno Chandra Jamatia, who has been elected already as Chief Executive Member, to come here and take out.
Ang Masan, Purna Chandra Jamatia, Matai ni Mungai, Samai Tangai Sazawo, Kakrake, Poito Naragai, Samai Tangai Sazawo, Ang Barot, Alambak ni Bisingte, Kazak, Kerongno, Poito, Kubuite, Karok Bombay Sazawo, Ang Barot ni Pan Kaplai, Te Pathalai Mungno, Kapang Kulasa Kalai Kalai Hori Tongnai Anabokzak Achok Pang Tipra Samolog by Tang Nai Kolzak Hankor Kokzap Nogni Saripang Adong Okra Ni Samungno Bebak Ni Pagai Keboni Bukha Koyawi Eba Kirima Kuri Kalai Eba Baksano Sajakma Te Baksano Sajagya Kalayawi Eba Kebono Korok Sabai Gedalui Eba Hojagui Samangno tanglak hangkor kok chap nok ni chari phang adong okra angui kerong ni bisingti ano samang ya pharjak mani eba ang saiman ma khe a samang no tangphro kebo bai dadak sidak eba kok rekewi sajak glak.
Thank you. Suhel Debormano Orof Haina Bagai এবং of Nana Bagai.
Poitunargui Sumai Tangi Shazao Ang Barod Elembag ni Bishingti Khazak Kerano Poitu Kubuiti Khorok Bumi Shazao Ang Barod ni Fan Kuplai Te Kethalai Muno Kapang Kulasa Klai Hori Tongnai Ano Bokzak Achukrem Tripura Tiprasa Baithang Naikolzak Hangkor Koksab Nogni Charifang Adong Okra Charifang Adong ni Shamungno Bebag ni Bagai Keboni Bukha Goyawi Eba Kirima Kri Klai Eba Baksano Sajak Mate Baksano Chaje Klayawi Eba Kebono Khoroksa Bai Gedalai Eba Huijagui Shamungno Tanglak Hangkor Kokchap Nogni Charifang Adong Okra Eba Charifang Adong Ngui Kerong ni Bishiti Ano Samung Ya Farjak Mani Eba Ang Saiman Ke A Samung No Tangfur Kebo Bai Dadak Sidak Eba Kok Rekawi Shaglak Hambai
Yang Tabu Executive Member Nkha Doli Riang Angkono Koyo Orof Hai Sobor Nana Bagai. After support, you will just come. Abuk support nanai, Doli Riang.
I, Srimati Doliria, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will hold up the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as Chief Executive Member for the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Chief Executive Member for the aforesaid District Council, except as may be required for the discharge of my duties as such Chief Executive Member. Thank you. Executive Member, yes.
For you, Orof Haidi, like is a register of so kind of. Now I request Rajesh Tripura, go executive member in Magai, CM by nominated Kaijala. Legal paper, you can Rajesh Tripura, please come. Hey, Afidin. You fill up letter. Just left inside. Okay. Only signature करो, बाद हम लोग fill up करेंगे. ऐसे करेक्शन खाएंगे वो खाएंगे देख के मिडान लेटर
आं मुचां राजेश त्रिपुरा कायतने मुंगै समायतांगै साजाओ खाकराखे पोइतनारगै समायतांगै साजाओ आं भारत एलेमबागनि बिसिंतै खाजा केरं न पोइतो कुबै ते खरक बोमै साजाओ आं भारतनि फांकरप्लाय ते कथालायमुं न खापां खुलासा खलायै हरै तंनाय आनो बगजाक आसोग्रेम त्रिपुरा तिप्रासा मुलक बायथां नायकलजाक हांकर ककजाब नगनि जारिफां आदंनि सामुंनो बेबागनि बागै केबनि बोखा कयावै एबा किरिमा करय खलाय एबा बाक्सानो चाजागमा ते बाक्सानो चाजाया खलायावै एबा केबनो खरक साबाय गदालायै एबा हुइजागै सामुंनो तांगला हांकर ककजाब नगनि एबा जारिफां आदं अंगै केरंनि बिसिंतै आनो सामुं याफारजागमानि एबा आं साइमानखे आ सामुंनो तांफुरु केबोबाय दादाक सिजाक एबा कक रेगै सागला
देलायगे हामबाय खरक तिनि फाइनाय सालनि तिनि नेता रोल मडेल बर 13 लक्ष तिब्रासानो चालंनाय टिकिट मेम्बार हिसाबै बना आं कयो अर फाइना बागै बबरंजन रिया चेयरमैन सिजेक दंगो अब्लिक EM बा EM इन सारिदा इसे तांफोर
आं मुचां
आं मुचां बबरंजन रियां कायतनि मंगुई सुमायतांगुई साजाओ खाकुराखे पुइतो नारुगुई सुमायतांगुई साजाओ आं भारत इलेमबागनि बिसिंतुई खागजाक केरं न पुइतो कुबुई ते खरक बमुई साजाव आं भारतनि फान कुप्लाय तै कुथालायमुं न खाफां खुलासा ख्लायवै हरै तंनाय आंनो बागजाक आचुग्रेम तिप्रा संदुक मुलुग बायथां नायकलजाक हांखर कक्साप नकनि चारिफां आदंनि सामुं बेबागनि बागै केबनि बुखा हुयावै एबा किरिमा खुरै ख्लायवै एबा बाक्सानो चाजागमा तै बाक्सानो चाजाग्या ख्लायावै एबा केबनो खरक साबाय गुदालुई एबा हयजागै सामुंनो तांग्लाक हांखर कक्साप नकनि चारिफां आदुं अंवै केरंनि बिसिंतुई आं सामुं याफारजाक मानि इबा आं साइमानखे अस सामुंनो तांफ्रुक केबोबाय दादाक सिदाक इबा काउक रिकुई संलाक हामबाय
हामबाय ननगो आबुनि परे आं कइजाव अनिमेश देबबर्मा और फायै एग्जीक्यूटिव मेम्बर नि शपथ नाना बागै प्लीज
आं मोजां अनिमेश देबबर्मा काइतरनि मुंगै समायतांगि साजाव खाक्राखे पुइतुनारगै समायतांगि साजाव आं भारत एलेमबागनि बिसिंतै खाजाक केरंनो पुइतु गुबुइतै खरक बमै साजाव आं भारतनि फानकप्लायतै कथालायमुंनो खापां खुलासा ख्लाय हरै तंनाय आनो बगजाक आचुग्रेम त्रिपुरा तिप्रासा मुलुग बायथां नायकलजाक हांखर ककचाप नकनि चारिफां आदुंनि सामुंनो बेबागनि बागै केबुनि बोखा कयावै एबा किरिमा गरै ख्लाय एबा बाक्सानो चाजागमा ते बाक्सानो चाजाग्या ख्लाय एबा केबनो खरक साबाय गोदालै एबा हुइजागै सामुंनो तांलाक हांखर ककचाप नकनि चारिफां आदंगै केरंनि बिसिंतै आनो सामुं याफारजागमानि एबा आं साइमानखे आ सामुंनो तांफुरुक केबोबाय दादाक सिदाक एबा कक रेकेवै सागलाक हामबाय
हामबा आबोनि परे চিত্তরঞ্জন দেববর্মা বো এক্সিকিউটিভ মেম্বার হিসেবে অর ভাই শপথ নাফাইদিন আং বনো কই
Ang Muchang,
Ang Muchang, Chittoranjan Deborma, Kaitoni Bungoi, Sumai Tangoi Sajao, Ka Krakhe, Oito Nargoi, Sumai Tangoi Sajao, Ang Bharat, Elembagni Bishingtui, Kazak Kerangno, Oito Kubui, Tei Khorok Bomoi Sajao, Ang भारतनि फान कुक्लाय तै गोथां लाइमुं न खाफां खुलासा खालायै हरै दंनाय आनो बगजाक आचुग्रेम त्रिपुरा संदुक मलं बायथां नायकलजाक हांकर ककजाब नकनि चारिफां आदंनि सामुं न बेबाकनि बागै केबनि बोखा कयावै एबा गिरिमा गोरै ख्लाय एबा बाक्सानो चाजाकमा ताई बाक्सानो चाजाकया ख्लायावै एबा केबनो खरकसाबाय गोदालै एबा हुइजागै सामुंनो तांलाक हांकर ककजाब नकनि चारिफां आदं अंगै केरंनि बिसिंतै आं सामुं याफार जाकमानि एबा आं साइमानखे आ सामुंनो तांख्रु केबोवाय दादाक सिदाक एबा कक रेकवै सागलाक खुलुमबाय
Now I request in today's list, he is the last person, last executive member, Komal Koloi. I request Komal Koloi to come over here and take off.
Ang Muchang,
Ang Muchang Komal Koloi, Kaitoni Mongoi, Sumai Tangoi Sajao, Kakrakhe Poito Nargoi, Sumai Tangoi Sajao, Ang Bharat Elembagni Bishingtui, Kazak Kerongno, Poito Koboitei, Khorok Bomoi Sajao, Ang Bharatni Phan Koplaite, Kathalai Mungno, Khapang, Khulasa Khalai, हरै दंनाय आनो बगजाक आचग्रेम त्रिपुरा सामुलक बायथां नायकलजाक हांकर ककजाब नकनि चारिफां आदंनि सामुं न बेबाकनि बागै केबनि बोखा गयावै एबा गेरेमा गोरै खोलायै एबा बाक्सानो चाजाक माते बाक्सानो चाजागिया खोलायावै एबा केबनो खरक साबाय गदालै एबा हुइजागै सामुंनो तांलाक हांकर ककजाब नकनि चारिफां आदं अंगै केरंनि बिसिंतै आनो सामुं याफार जाकमानि एबा आं साइमान खे आ सामुंनो तांफोरो केबोबाय दादाक सिदाक एबा कक रेकेवै सागलाक जतनन हामबाय
We are almost concluding today's oath-taking ceremony of Chief Executive Member and Executive Members. Now little more is left behind. Borno Kumala Kumriwoy Boron Khainadi. Then this ceremonial function is concluded. And I request all the guests, leaders, peoples, dignitary personalities, whoever attended this occasion to remain part, because it was for executive member and CM only. Now that constitutional event is over, so please, Buvadra, members and Bagi Dinamagi. Or Bagi Dimani Pure, others, not only team, not Dagidi. Okay.
Bubakar Jin Harmony, Buskango Chini Top Bagay, Jin Dofano Muktirana Bagay, Jin Harmutochan, election Takajiti like Omoya, Jin Harm Greater Tirperland, Greater Tirperland to be a some Platinum. So officially the bars about the money. Obani was some Plane, Logilun Chin Dofan, Chikisime subject of money. One was some Subway, Hansa Clay, Habbox of Hansa Yabbox was Abu, Chin Bubakar Imam, no money, Chin Dofan Bagay, Sen Muktirana Bagay. I want to meet that. Abu Bubakar Jiti Namani, Mabak Chin Dofan by Carmen now, Tang Himale, all in all Bubagrano, Shamu Plaine, Chin Dofan Bagay, they Bini Sankrang in parts of Boxaka, they Bubakar Mission, Mabak Samucha.
What do you expect from them?
I expect them to perform because eventually what matters is performance. The time for elections is over. Now the time has come for us to perform, and our work will speak for ourselves.
Which are the sectors you are prioritizing?
Education, health, land revenue, water, sanitation. So these are key areas because development has been lagging behind in these specific sectors.
Ruling BJP have been asked to come here on the ground that after post-poll violence taken. At the same time, they have put the allegation on the communist also, saying in the name of Kepra communist. What is the reaction?
I don't want to have any talk about violence. The idea is that the elections are over, and this culture of post-poll violence is there in West Bengal, Tripura, and Kerala. And this is a culture that we have inherited, and I want this to end. So the first thing we want to do, as soon as we come to power, we want to actually ensure that we have a fund which comes out to all the victims who have been affected by this post-poll violence, regardless of party, and we help them. So that is one of the decisions we have taken, and we are going to implement that. And regarding, we are not against any political party. We have our own independent point of view. We have friends on all sides, and we are against no one. We have our own agenda, and we want to carry agenda. We don't want to be caught in a fight between left and right. We want to go the way we think it's right.
So you had promised that once the council is formed, white paper will be by when can we expect?
So the meeting will take place today. The EMS we have to constitute a thing, and we will come out with a white paper because the people need to know how much money is coming in and where the money is being spent. Thank you.
Ma'am, tini port mana bahai matong kasakan.
Port maya ang kakao mami ke sini luko sini di prasa takuro asuke cuno di pramothana ha bubak rane kong knaka bubak rane sonman rika cuno susuk rika ang baya ang prono mosto ke hambai mario ai ni kaka mungle prono hambai ri mose ai ni tre
Bahai samung kanya bus kango tamawan chong.
Nadi di pramotha phayo jini edisi chungje paikha bole jini success ya jini na he mote bo kotor tong bubak rane wan sung abono chung imau no muk thangke pana che chung khaima ba chung bis kango ji di prasara bukte jago khokje khokpe ing tong aro jaga na chung so anman ba ya chung 100% sa thai tong
Fast samung nong ni tamo tong nai ma'am.
jini fast ni samung bo tao chung guideline ni mutabek chole nai tao present situation maung tong pura tripura ni ji ta ko joto si mo pandao chung guideline unusane chung samuta nai nau nai si tong bi
Nga baksa lokoro tabuk mane bubagrana CM namung jago bujia tong nai rong tamo kok kasamung tong nai ma'am.
Bubagra sob somyo bocini ki ham phase bubagra step lamo bo jotoni ka hamne ba wal bunglao mo pandao tini maharaj sini sar uno sar chondro jomatia na bung CM riha bo better cool minded calm person jotono bo equal balance ka bo tui maine maharaj ni decision bono tini final decision maharaj je decision lawo bo jotoni ba ka ham decision lawo joton ba hamre ba pandao hamai jotono khaksa media person
Welcome the decision of the Government of India. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, had told me recently that this process will start. I am hoping that this will be peaceful repatriation and they will be given proper accommodation. I also am slightly concerned that with the new wave of corona, I hope this process does not get delayed again because the group people have suffered for very long and I don't want them to suffer anymore. We have fought very hard for them and we have fought we have fought for their rights, but that fight and that struggle should be given a logical edge. I appreciate the role of the Government of India in following it through, but I'm slightly worried about the delays, especially because the second wave of corona is coming. I hope this process does not get further delayed. That's my only concern.
Maharaj, now you also have a role in that directly in the sense you are in the ADC and they are being repatriated in ADC. What will be your role then?
My role will be to facilitate them. You see, people don't realize I'm not here to do politics over people. Whether it is the Tiprasas, whether it is the Bengalis, Manipuris, Hindus, Christians. I just want my state to go in a right direction. And I believe that if there is less politics and more focus on rehabilitation and repatriation, it will help all of us. Because eventually, if they do not get a proper, decent life, we all should look upon ourselves and say, why did we play politics with a group of helpless people who have struggled for too long? Whether it was Dumbur or whether it is now. We cannot play politics with their future. We have to give them an honorable livelihood.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
क्या लगता है आपको जो पार्टी एडीसी में सत्ता में आई है जो उम्मीदें हैं जो आप लोगों ने दावा किया है एडीसी के डेवलपमेंट को लेकर वो आगे बढ़ेगा?
मैं अगर बोलूँगा नहीं बढ़ेगा तो आंसर ही नहीं हुआ है। ऑब्वियसली बढ़ेगा, ऑब्वियसली
जो काम होना बाकी है खासकर जो बैंकिंग
हाँ तो देखिए CPM was in power for decades. The BJP has been in power for 3 years. We have a job now to ensure that there will be differences in the previous regime and us. तो हम इस विषय में काम करेंगे. पानी का इशू हो, मलेरिया आने वाला है, कोरोना वापस आ रहा है, हेल्थ इश्यूज है, एजुकेशन में इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, हमारे लैंड रिलोकेशन, तो बहुत इश्यूज हैं. तो सब में हम कॉन्क्रीट काम करेंगे और विजिबल डेवलपमेंट दिखाना चाहते हैं. विजिबल डेवलपमेंट, not in terms of only speeches, but in terms of actual development. Thank you. Tata.